So now we are going to create another workflow, which will be basically workflow WKF03, and it is LinkedIn. Sorry guys, LinkedIn connection request or just connection checker. Okay, so now in this workflow we are gonna create a schedule trigger, and we want to run it on every day at midnight, or every day at morning 6 a.m. and yeah, and then what we want to do, we are gonna get all the rows from the same sheet. Okay, and let me select the sheet. So in this workflow it will be based on some schedule. It will run on daily basis, and you can also create or convert previous workflows in some kind of schedule if you want to run them on daily basis with some specific profiles. Yeah, you can add just schedule trigger in first one to basically scrape the profiles. Yeah, and then you can set the schedule trigger second one to send the connection request, and then third one to check if the connection requests are accepted. If the connection requests are accepted, then you can send them messages or something that you want related to your reach or sales process. So yeah, I have selected the same sheet, LI profiles, LinkedIn profiles, and I am gonna get the rows. So yeah, I have got all the rows, and I am gonna now add filter. I only need profiles whom we have sent the connection request. Okay, now you are able to see why we define two columns. Okay, so I basically want only the profiles whom we have sent the connection request, and it is true, means we need only profile. There can be a lot of other profiles whom we have not still sent the connection, assume it, but we only want whom we have sent the connection requests. Then we can just specify the filter. If the send connection request column so value is true, we only need those profiles, means these profiles have been sent a connection request. Okay, so I hope you got the logic. So we will only get okay, let me give you a demo. Yeah, or let me copy this, Control C, and I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna change its name, Ahmed. Okay, and I'm gonna make it false. Okay, or I'm gonna make it empty. Let's assume you can make it false as well. So I'm gonna make it empty. So now the upper the about ends are 2, means they have been sent a connection request, but the last one, it is not been connected yet, or a request has been not sent to this profile. Okay, assume it. Okay, so now get back. Let me save this sheet. And let me run it now, and let me save it. You can see I am still getting only 10 items, but there are 11 items. Okay, so from 2 to 12, these are 11 items, but I am only getting 10 items because I am only getting those items whom we have sent the connection request. The last one have been not sent any connection request till then, because its value is empty or its value is false. Even let's keep here false. Okay, and save it, and let's run it again. Now we'll get 10 items. So this is how logic is gonna work. So again, we are gonna add loop over here, and inside loop we want one profile at a time, because we want a process to go smoothly. Because if there will be a batch of profile, there might be an issue in Browserflow because it is quite new. So here we'll be checking if connection request has been sent to the profiles or not. And let me keep it on the side, and we will there is an option, check if person is a connection. Okay, so now we'll be checking if this connection request that we have sent, if they are accepted or not. Okay, and if they are accepted, we will update the sheet So next column, which is basically yeah, let me just show you LinkedIn automation and LinkedIn profiles. So we will match using LinkedIn profiles, and we don't need these columns here. I'm gonna delete it. Yeah, I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna delete this as well. Yeah, I will be making it true if the connection request is accepted. Okay, otherwise it will be false. So yeah, there will be a condition. Okay, there will be a condition, or let's keep this here. Okay, once this will check all the connection requests, then we will update the sheet. Okay, in a page. So let me save it, and let me first run it. So yeah, I'm getting errors. Let me deactivate it because this is not still configured. Let me run it. So I will get one profile at a time. I'm gonna deactivate it, and now here what we will check, we will provide it same LinkedIn URL. It will be checking if the connection request is sent or not. So this node will be working like that. It will be checking if the person whom we have sent the request has accepted the connection request or not. Okay, so once it will done with it, we will update the sheet. But before that, we will add wait node, and inside wait node we will add just a specify 5 seconds of wait. Okay, so yeah, or just delete this wait. We don't need this wait. I'm not gonna use it. So yeah, let's now let's also specify this. So LinkedIn URL, and yeah, there will be a condition. There will be a condition. If connection will be if connection that we will send is accepted true, in that case we will update the sheet. Otherwise we will not update the sheet. I hope you got the concept. And let me now run this once. Yeah, let's run it. Just let's run it one time for now, then we will just execute it for the all profiles. I just want to specify this if condition, or define this if condition. It will be only defined when we will be able to see the output from Browserflow. Some of the fields that will be configured here, I will show you that why I am gonna run it. Yeah, so when Browserflow will complete its execution, this will be checking this check node. It will be checking if person is connected or not. It will be providing us some values, which values will be like session, success, is connection. Yeah, we need this value. If is connection, okay, is true. If is connection is true, and it will be boolean. Okay, is true. Only in that case we will update the sheet. Yeah guys, so I have basically added a wait node over here so that we have some wait, and I have just run it for one profile and it seems working. Let me show you. So when it will run, what we will get some values. So let's execute it. So when if the thing that we are getting from wait node is these values are being passed from these values, okay, Browserflow node, and we are getting basically is connection is false, means we are getting these fields, and also we can get these fields from this wait node as well, because these are being passed to wait node, because before this if else condition node we have wait node. So yeah, so you can directly get that value from wait node. So I have just directly drag and drop this field over here, is connection. If is connection is true, yeah, I have just selected the boolean, and if this connection is true, so then we will be updating the sheet. And in sheet if the connection is true related to this specific profiles that we are matching, it will make connection accepted true. So once that connection will be accepted, we can create another workflow automation based on some schedule, and we can start sending them messages to whom who have accepted our request. So now let's run this and let's check that how it is gonna work. I'm gonna execute it, and first let me see if it is getting all the profiles. Yeah, it is getting all the profiles. Let's execute it. It got 10 profiles. Now this will be checking one profile one by one if connection is accepted or not, and then there is a wait node of 5 seconds of delay. Then there is a condition, it will be checking if connection request is accepted, then it will update the sheet, otherwise it will do nothing. Yeah, let's wait. Hi guys, so this is done, and you can see it has checked all the profiles, and and it has verified that if the connection request has been accepted or not. And you can see all 10 out of 10 are still false because I have just sent them connection requests, and in this tutorial I am checking within few minutes that if they have accepted or not. Yeah, it will take some time, and after maybe tomorrow, if I will run this automation, it will be true, and connection request, some profiles will be true because some of them can accept the connection request. Yeah, I have just sent them connection request, and now in this workflow I just want to show you that how then you can create another workflow to check if the connection request has been accepted or not, and then once accepted you can then update the sheet node. So yeah, once this will be updated, once this will be true, then you can start sending them messages. Yeah, and let's assume, or let's proceed for the next tutorial. And in the next tutorial I'm gonna show you that once the connection requests has been accepted, then what you can do, or what kind of workflows then you can create for the sales, or for the personal branding, or for the job hunting. And yeah, let's proceed to the next workflow.